Hey everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be going over the course syllabus and the course description portion of your classes. And it is a norm. Uh, the syllabus has to be in every class of yours and a separate syllabus in every class of yours. So it's not enough just to put your personal information. You need to put certain things like the course description, learning outcomes for different units, what units you're going to be covering in the class, the way that the class is set up and everything need to be provided in the course syllabus. Where you put that, you can put it in the Start Here button. If you have a separate folder that has course materials, I would put it under the Start Here button in a folder in there. That way, when a student goes in there to see the other ways that your class works, that there'll be a folder there for the course syllabus provided. All right, so I'm going to go and open up this template that I provided. This is another one that I found from a different university online, and I think it did a good job of providing an online syllabus for teachers as an example. So it's a template. You don't have to use it, but it would make your life a lot easier if you just used this one and filled in, all the spots. For the most part, the things that you have to fill in are in red. Obviously, you have to change the title of it here for your name and your class name right there. Change things to hexters, and you will have to change the header or the page headers on the bottom to be in your own information and your own date. But that should be easy for you. All right, but it provides everything here that you'll need in a syllabus, and everything from even the academic honesty policy and course communications. You put your own information in there, but a lot of things, you'll be able to just keep the same. But I thought this was a good exemplar of what you need to provide for students and parents. All right. If you have any questions on what's required for the syllabus, let me know. But all of you should be, pretty well versed in that. The main thing I wanted to provide for you is the template to make it easier for you. But if you want to use your own style, that's fine, just as long as the same information is provided. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you all later.